check it out. The van's up for sale. Also, I'm taking charge of my life by, I made a will, like a last testament will. It's very simple. And I'm going to make a video that shows you how you can do that. You basically just need to go get a template that's off of whatever your search engine is on your computer, or I guess you could do it on your phone. And then you just change everything out and you write, I, David, whatever. You do it for yourself. It's very simple. And then you can go to a real estate place and they have notary publics, and then they sign it after you sign it, and then you just make copies of it, and boom, then you're set. So if you go through any crazy experiences like the last couple weeks that I went through, you can at least be conscious that if something does happen to you, which I bet most of the time nothing ever happens to anybody, because it's kind of all up here in our mind. That's what I'm learning in this process. But wow, it sure feels like there's some huge shifts happening in the universe and just this reality for this spirit. And it's just time to let go. So I'm taking charge of my life for the first time at 44 years old. I'd been riding the vibration of a miracle for a very long time, but everything I've noticed has been these reflections that are pointing to me that I'm blaming stuff that's outside of myself, and I just haven't stepped into my real supernatural power to become the real me. It's this thing right here, and it's been an amazing journey, and I'm really grateful for all that's happened along the way. But it's like I just finally woke up in the now, right now. So yeah, it's awesome, and I'm about to make some big changes. Every time that I catch myself blaming something external, I just am going to sit and meditate now on it. Just stop and take the deep breaths and realize that that's kind of like what resets me. So there's my ramble. Yeah, I got 4 new tires at the junkyard. Put those on the other van. Lots of happenings happening. Actually, didn't put those on the other van. Set them aside so that I can lift the blue van. And I put the other wheels on that. Put the nice wheels on there. And then put the other wheels on the van. Ramble. This light's kind of bothering me. It's just like, phew. So, time to turn it off. Yeah. Basically, the whole point of this video is like, just follow your heart. It's really all there is. All the external stuff is what causes most of the fear. Like what other people are telling you, or what you intake on the computer, or your phone, or the TV, or even the radio, whatever, And if you can ground yourself into yourself and then just observe, well, that's when you kind of get yourself back in tune. And the whole process just is what it is, so it's okay. So you just have to let it happen and don't try to force it or change it, because that's usually going to take all your energy. Like when you wipe out on a big wave, if you just kind of go limp, you don't get scared, you protect your energy, and you always pop up. It seems as though, I'm still here. And if you stress out and you go, oh, well, man, it sure is a lot gnarlier getting back up to where you can take that breath of life force, fresh air. So whether you're underwater surfing, or if you're underwater and just regular life happenings, take that deep breath, because it'll show you all the beauty that is. So enjoy the journey and keep up the radical.